Okay, so this is going to be the first set of data for experiment number 4, reactions of household chemicals. And so what I've done is, instead of doing it in a well plate, I've set up 5 different test tubes here. Okay? Now each of those test tubes has one of our reagents that we're going to mix into. So you can see on the far left, this one is going to be our blue food coloring, 0.1 molarity silver nitrate, 0.1% thymol blue, 1.0 molarity calcium chloride, and then 6 molarity hydrochloric acid there at the end. So for our first reagent, we're going to go down through your data table. And so we're kind of doing that first column going on down. Our first one is going to be for that Lysol, the toilet bowl cleaner. And so right now I'm going to go ahead and add in that toilet bowl cleaner to each of these test tubes, starting over on the left side first. And you can record what your observation is that you think has occurred. And so I'll bring them closer up so you can see a little bit better. This is the blue food coloring with the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner inside. This is that silver nitrate solution. You can think about what color it was before I added it. If you wanted to look, the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, it's kind of like a faint light blue, maybe like a sky blue in its color. Your silver nitrate's a little bit hard to see by itself. If I take it out, you can kind of see it's like this clearish liquid. Our thymol blue looks a little bit like this reddish orange. You can compare that to what it looks like inside the bottle. Maybe a little bit different there. This is gonna be our calcium chloride. And this is our 6 molarity HCl. So now in each of those boxes on our data table, we should fill in what observations you detected when we did that mixture. So do you think it changed colors? Do you think there was a precipitation that formed? The precipitation means that there was a solid, right? So maybe you think that one of them might have produced a white solid per se, or something along those lines. Then that's where you would record that as well. But all of them should have something written there. If nothing occurred, then you can write no reaction, that's fine. But you want to include things like color change, if you saw any bubbles, anything along those lines.